So I actually made a bit of a rookie mistake in the last sort of automated tools video. So after discussing what I was meant to be explaining, I didn't actually go over what GT4 bins and payloads all things are. Just sort of just expect people to know. So I'm just going to go over that now. So as it already explains here, GT4 bins are a curated list of Unix binaries that can be used to bypass local security restrictions in misconfigured systems. So basically, this is just GT4 bins exists for types of Priv and just unintended usage of typically installed sort of Linux applications. So all the stuff on here will be um, installed on most Linux boxes, or majority of it will come with a base Linux system. So for instance, sudo, if you that's funny, can't find that, AWK. So if you go on a box and you have sudo rights, you see AWK, like right, what do I want to do now? If we go down to sudo, if the binary is allowed to be run as super user, it does not drop the elevated privileges and may be used to access the file system. So if you were to run something like this, you might be able to get a root shell there. If you can run it sudo, just a little example, things like that. It's not just limited to, as I say, one application. It's all of them. So that's another good one. Nano. Again, breakout shell environment. Reading unrestricted files. There's all sorts of little cool bits you can do in this. So if you've got SUID, again, if you've got sudo, you just want to do that out in a box. Yeah, so later on in the course we'll be covering it, but you can narrow things down here. So for instance, if you're looking for we'll cover this later in the course, so you'll understand it better then, but if you're aware what it is, for now, if you should understand, you can narrow down, make things easy to search. So for instance, if you're looking for SUIDs, you can just go on here, hit that, and just go through, and if you see a binary that's on your machine here, you can just go through the list and just find which one might potentially work and give you elevated privileges. The next one is payloads all things. So as you can see, payloads all things, it's got a payload for everything. It's not just limited to privilege escalation, it's everything. It's a really good resource. So for example, network pivoting, reverse shuttle stuff, where are we? Privilege escalation, there we go. This is where you want to be for the minute in Linux Priv, and there's absolutely loads covered on here. More than what we'll be doing in the course. As I was, and that follows the nice from last video. Some common kernel exploits there. So you see dirty cow, dirty pipe, things like that. These should pique your interest if you see these on a box, as we did on Bashed. So we saw dirty cow. Probably want to give that a look. Yeah, it's definitely a good read. As I say, it'll be in the description of this video and the last one as well, just so you can have a good look and look for yourself. But that's essentially what these resources are. So this one is payloads all things. It's just got a payload for everything. It can whatever you want to do. It'll probably tell you how to do it on here. And GT4 bins is just for looking for ways to exploit binaries to elevate privileges.